So I just wanted to sculpt the hand here in this model. So what I'm doing is I'm going to append a sphere, and then that sphere is going to be placed at this point. So I can scale this and then start dragging this model. Maybe I just okay, I just place like that and then dragging this model with the move tool. So make sure that you don't have the symmetry here, and so on the thumb side, on the little finger side, it's going to be down, and here it would be down, and then in the middle it's slightly higher, and this is where the thumb is going to get connected. Okay, so maybe you can choose a slight angle in it and then place it there. You can use the move tool to nicely penetrate this into the model. Okay, now I'm going to use the subtool and then choose the append option and then bring up that sphere for the finger. So I'm going to scale this like that. Okay, so I'm going to use the lasso tool, the mask tool, and then just rotate that like that. I can place the pivot point and then just rotate that like that. So you can use the Dynamesh here again, and then I'm using the damn standard brush just to get that curvature, and then give the volume of that puff and then slightly push this inside like that. Okay, I'm going to select the model and then just transform it to match the requirement there. So I can now use a control and then place those fingers. So I'm going to rotate this inside so that I get that nice angle. I'm just checking the size. So if I just check the subtool here, these two fingers are in one layer. So I'm going to remove the mask and then I'm going to split two parts. So that brings up this into a layer. Bring the pivot point to the center and then move it there. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm just checking the size and then seeing how this is actually fitting the model. So I'm going to duplicate that layer and then just move it further. In fact, I need to select this one, make it slightly bigger because this is the middle finger. And then again I'll be duplicating that and then make it small. Like that. So I've got this nice arrangement. So I'm going to select the first finger. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate that and then place it to match the thumb there. I'm going to use the move tool and then just I need to twist this finger and then rotate it like that. like that. So I'm going to use the clay brush and then just give that volume for the bottom side of the thumb, because that is going to look a bit thicker, and then just grab like that, and then so let's just check the model. Fingers look a bit longer, so I'm going to select those fingers and slightly move inside. I mean, it's about the proportions. So I'm going to select this model and make sure that there is no other model below that in the subtool, and then go to the merge option and then merge down. We'll merge all that into one piece. So okay, now I want to do one thing, that is I'll go to the Dynamesh, and then actually what I've done is I've just kept the gaps here just by selecting those and then just moving a little bit away, and that's one thing. And I just need to pick with the resolution also. So 128 resolution is doing a decent job here. So once that is Dynamesh, then you can maybe bring it close to the model. So I'm going to select this model and then start sculpting, and then just Dynamesh it as per the requirement there. I'm just applying smooth and then getting those details done. I'll use the lasso tool. And then I'm going to move this model a little bit in. The silhouettes really matter when we are actually doing this. The fingers, when they are too far, they look really odd. So what we can really do is I'm going to select those fingers and then move it closer. Okay.